Texas is a big state with a big population. Currently, the population is 26 million and growing. Of those 26 million faces, approximately 48% are unchurched and without God's hope. So you see, Texas is a big mission field. Just as cities are parts of counties, churches are parts of associations. Through the 103 associations here in Texas, funds from the Mary Hill Davis Offering for Texas Missions help reach out to people in all parts of the state and to the world with the offer of help and the message of God's hope. Here are a few examples. The Rio Grande Valley Baptist Association used Mary Hill Davis funds to support the Valley Summer Project, a Baptist student ministry effort which allows university students the opportunity to serve in a missions experience locally as well as globally. This program has made missions a part of the Valley Baptist Student Ministry's culture. Thanks to the offering, over 30 students have traveled to 20 countries, fulfilling their desire to reach the ends of the earth for Christ. Because of the Mary Hill Davis Offering, San Antonio Baptist Association has successfully developed the Missionary Training School, a ministry that trains urban missionaries and evangelists to reach the lost and start churches. As a result of the effort, Texas Baptists have started 95 Simple House churches and established 17 English-speaking Latino churches, which, by the way, have become some of the largest churches among the Latino people in Texas. Associations also sponsor many area-wide events like senior adult Bible studies, student rallies, vacation Bible school, and evangelism training. Associations are constantly striving to minister alongside churches to spread the love and hope of Christ. Throughout Texas, there are many faces, young and old, but only one hope. By giving to the Mary Hill Davis Offering for Texas Missions, we can share the hope that is Jesus. Thanks for giving and praying, but if you, your church, or your association would like to do something more, we have a project for you. Books for the Border is a project of Literacy Connexus, which connects church groups with communities that lack reading material in the homes. Here, take a look.
At Literacy Connexus, we believe in stories. We believe they have power, the power to encourage, the power to challenge, the power to change a life, especially when those stories are shared at an early age. We believe that so much, we give away stories for free. Free to parents to share with their children, free to bring families closer together, free to bring smiles to the faces of children. Research tells us that among children living in poverty, only 1 in 300 has books at home. No Goodnight Moon, no Velveteen Rabbit, no Cat in the Hat, no Bible. By giving families stories, we're sparking the imagination of children, helping them to develop and setting them on a course of lifelong learning, learning that will aid them for years to come. Together, we can help families and young children achieve their God-given potential. And that's a story we want to be a part of.